We already discussed about the forestry of the Andhra Pradesh, history and the soils of the Andhra Pradesh, and number of the questions related to the Andhra Pradesh. So move on the next related to agriculture questions. The first was asking about the groundnut monocrops area identified of the which districts is known as Anantapur. It's known as Anantapur district. So the farm of the Andhra Pradesh get institutional finance from commercial bank, regional rural bank, and primary agriculture cooperative bank. So answer was all of them. Okay. Third question was asking the Andhra Pradesh held the paddy in highest in Nellore district. Highest in Nellore district. Okay, the match was mainly produced in districts of Andhra Pradesh is known as Guntur. Is known as Guntur. Okay, the question number 5 was which of the highest producer of the pulses in Andhra Pradesh? Which is the highest producer of the pulses in Andhra Pradesh is known as okay Kurnool district. Name was Kurnool district. Okay, Ananthapuram is the leading producer of Ananthapuram was the leading producer of what this pulse paddies match groundnut. This answer was groundnut. Answer was groundnut. Answer was D groundnut. Okay. To move on next, the tambaku is the mainly produced in the districts of the Andhra Pradesh, which name as asking about the name. The name was Parakasam. Name was Parakasam. Okay, which of the district is not a part of the southern agroclimate zone? Not a part of the southern agroclimate zone. Question number 8, answer was Anantapur. Answer was Harit project is introduced in. Project is introduced in which districts? So district was East Godavari, Parakasam and Nallur. So answer was all of these. Okay, answer was all of these. Okay. So next question was the in Andhra Pradesh National Crop Insurance Program was introduced in National Crop Insurance Program introduced in 2014. Okay, 2014. So related to question of the irrigation related question of Andhra Pradesh. So move at this. The Nagarjun Sagar project was constructed on the river state West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. So Nagarjun Sagar, you know about the Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjuna Sagar, Andhra Pradesh. Hirakund Dam was in Odisha. Hirakund Dam was in Odisha. A to 3 and B to 2 and C to 1. Okay. So move on next. The share of the tanks is total irrigated area in Andhra Pradesh. It's a recent year. It's about in 2010. As for data 2019. 2019. So don't take the data of 2020. Just take data 2019. The answer was 15%. Answer was 15%. So as for your question, please match in 2020 as respect. Okay, the tank irrigation is extensively practiced in state was common Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. The tank irrigation. Okay, what is tank irrigation? Is common in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. And next was which is the major sources of irrigation in states? Andhra Pradesh state, which is the major sources for the irrigation. So you know about the major sources of irrigation was canal. Major sources what? The canal. Okay, the sixth, the Andhra Pradesh State Irrigation Development Corporation was established in you know about this established in 1974. Established in 1974. Okay, so Somashila Dam built on the river of Pennar. River of Pennar. Okay, river of Pennar. Okay, to move up next, the Srigur Dam was constructed to supply drinking water to Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. It is one. It is on the river of. It is on the river. You know Manjira River. Name was Manjira River. Answer was D. Manjira River. Okay. The Parakasam Barrage is outstanding structure built by during the British rules, spanning over the river. River name was okay. So river name was Krishna. River name was Krishna. Okay. So the World Bank has approved the hydrology project 2006. The World Bank allowed this in 2006 phase 2. Okay. So move at the next mineral sources of this Andhra Pradesh. Mineral sources of this Andhra Pradesh. The first question was say the in Andhra Pradesh bulk of the mica production come from Nellore districts. Okay, a huge reserve of the D, all of above. Answer was D. Okay, the which is the leading producer of this country. Okay, the fourth one in Andhra Pradesh, bauxite is basically found in uh, Visakhapatnam and East Godavari. Visakhapatnam and East Godavari. So answer was A, B both. A, B both. So fifth was the which minerals is used in cement industry. Which minerals is used in cement industry. You know about the cement industry, limestone. Limestone. Okay, which of the minerals occurs the Gondwana formation and Godavari Valley in Andhra Pradesh? Gondwana formation of the Godavari Valley in Andhra Pradesh. 6. The answer was coal. Gondwana coal. Answer was coal. Answer is A. Answer A. Coal. Diamond bearing area of the spreaded under the different environment in in what the districts related to this? The district D, all of these. Answer was D, all of these. So moving the high grade hematite iron ore extracted from what districts? Is extracted from Kunnur and Anantpur also. Okay, Anantpur also. So answer was D. So answer was D. So move next, mainly produced in. So marble is mainly produced in Kurpada districts. So answer was A. Okay. So Parakasam is famous for. Okay. Is famous for granites. Famous for granite. Famous for granite.